Are you interested in picking up a career in data science, or you already have a little knowledge about data science, but you want to go deep into the concept of what data science is all about? Or probably you just need some certification under the topic of data science in order to boost your resume or your portfolio. Well, whatever is the reason that you have for wanting to learn about data science, then this video is for you. Just make sure you watch it to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you 7 best online data science courses that comes with certification. So this course is going to be a combination of both free and paid courses. So you don't have any excuse for not, taking action and watching this course. So if you cannot get started with the paid courses, then the free courses will definitely do justice to your online learning under the topic of data science. So to make it much more easier, I'll be sharing all the links to all the courses that I'll be sharing with you in this video. I'll be dropping them in the comment section or in the description of this video so that you can access them easily. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. All right, so now let's look at what data science itself is. In case you are watching and you don't really have a full knowledge of what data science is, maybe you probably see it from a list of recommended courses for you, and then you are wondering, okay, what exactly is data science? So now let's just look at this briefly. So if you come on Google and you just type what is data science, you will most likely come across a page like this. So let's look at one or two definitions. It says data science is the study of data to extract meaningful insights for business. Exactly. So just from the word, you know that yes, you are dealing with data. Exactly. So say this one here says, what exactly does a data scientist do? So data scientists examine which question need answering and where to find the related data. So from the word, from what you've been able to look so far, you see that basically deals with data. So data scientists must masterfully identify relevant questions, collect data from a multitude of different data sources, organize information, translate results. Exactly. So I hope this will give you a little idea on what data science is all about. It just have to do with data, with using different software, different means, and different programs. All right, so now let's take a look at the courses one after the other. So the first course that comes highly recommendable in the field of data science is this introductory course. So that's Introduction to Data Science. And like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link to all of the courses I'll be sharing with you in this video. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So now let's take a look at this first one. It says, learn how to extract information from data using data science methods. Use the information with this Introduction to Data Science course. So for this course, it has about 85,000 learners already enrolled so far. And the course is about 1 to 3 hours of learning. Okay, so from the description, it says, this free online Introduction to Data Science course from Allison will teach you the basics of data science. You will look into data science processes, receive an introduction to machine learning, and learn about data models for structuring data. You will also be shown how to gain knowledge and insights from data that is both structured and unstructured, as well as learn to use scientific method, processes, algorithms, and data science systems. Okay, so now let's take a look at it. So these are the things that you're going to learn. So once you come on this page, you're going to be seeing all of this information. So these are the things that you're going to learn. Let me just look them randomly. In this free course, you will learn how to describe what data science is used for, explain what machine learning is and the parts that makes it up. So you will learn how to describe how the 2 most popular clustering algorithms works. So now for this particular course, it has about 3 modules. So in the module 1 is more of data science, overview of data science, and then the module 2 is an overview of machine learning. Exactly. So you're going to be seeing what does machine learning means when we are talking about data science. So once you come here and then you click on this arrow here, you're going to see the topics under each of those modules. And then so this third module, that's module 3, is the course assessment. Upon completion of this module 3, and then you hit the pass mark, I think maybe 80% or 75%, then you're going to be awarded a certificate. Exactly. All right. So if you look at the reviewed so far, you're going to see that it's very impressive, very informative and interesting, and then interesting. So once you're on this page and you want to get started, so you can just click here, start course now. Either you click on this green button here, or you click on this one here, whichever one, then you can get started with the course. So that's the first one I'll be sharing with you. So the second course that comes highly recommendable for data science. And again, like I said, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 courses. So 5 of which are going to be free courses and 2 of which are going to be paid courses. So you don't actually need to stick with one, because just one course will not give you all the information that you need. For instance, this first one is an introductory course. So, and it's just 1.5 to 3 hours course. So you don't expect to get everything you need under data science. Exactly. So you actually need to go through all of the courses that I'll be sharing with you. Okay, so the second one says data science masterclass for beginners. So this is still a beginner course under the topic data science. So it said discover if data science is the right path for you by learning about its methodology and more in this free course. Okay, so far 20,000 learners already enrolled. Make sure you become one of those that will be enrolling into this course. Then 3 to 4 hours of learning. So this is more time compared to the previous one. And here it says you're going to be learning how to define data science, explain each step of data science methodology briefly, differentiate between machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so for this one, it has 2 modules. So the first module has all the information you need: the data science, introduction to data science, programming languages, data science methodology, data science versus chatbot, libraries, API, data sets, and GitHub. Data set science basics. So it's like the summary, and then the module 2 is always the last module is always an assessment. Okay, so once you're on this page, just like the previous one, you come over here and click on start course now. Then you can just start and get started. That means you've just enrolled into this course. And don't forget, this all the courses anyway also comes with certification after you complete it. So complete this CPD accredited course and get your certificate. Exactly. Okay. All right. So that's the second one. Now let's look at the third one. So here's the third course. So data science fundamental, essential tools and concepts. Exactly. So this will be putting you through the essential tools. There are quite a number of tools that you're going to be using to analyze data in the field of data science, but this one is focusing more on the essential tools. And then it says learn about the relationship between data science and AI machine learning technology in this free online course. It says this course lays out the basics of data science and machine learning. We explore various aspects of this field and describe their real-world applications as we discuss various data science and machine learning workflow. So this ML means machine learning. There are common applications and the concepts of clustering and regression in machine learning. Lastly, the course also covers deep learning and neural network in details to help you understand how AI can drive modern data science and research. Okay, so once you are here, this is what you're going to be learning. Compare data science with business intelligence, and then analyze the relationship between machine learning and data science, discuss the process of clustering in machine learning, define machine learning, and explain how the technology works. So you can expect an in-depth information in this course, because it's going to be 4 to 5 hours of learning. And then this has 3 course modules. So once you are here, the first one is understanding data science field. Then the second one talks about machine learning basics. So once you are here, you click on this arrow, you're going to be seeing all of the topics under each of the modules. And then once you are done, you can then get access to the certificates. So here's one of the review. The course has set me on a path to enroll myself in a master program in data science. You can see, so that's very impressive. All right, so this is the third one. You'll find a link to this course in the description of this video. So now let's go to the fourth course. So the fourth one is a diploma course. So diploma in using Python for data science. So Python is actually one of the programming language that you can also use in the field of data science, and that is what this particular course focuses on. So it said learn how to use basic Python knowledge and turn it into a career in data science. So if you already have knowledge in in Python, this will be of help. And if at all you don't have, so if you look at the course module, there's going to be a part where it's going to talk about Python. So this module 2, Python for data science, programming, Python programming and Google Colab, Python operations and condition operators. Okay, Python operators and conditional operators. So you're going to be seeing how you can use Python for data science, in the field of data science. And for this, now this is about 6 to 10 hours of learning. So a lot will be shared with you in this particular course. And then this is the first assessment and the second assessment before the final assessment. Exactly. Okay. So he said, do you have a sound knowledge of Python and would like to start a promising career in data science? With this free online data science certification, you will learn how to apply Python concepts and compound data structure to data science through many different techniques. So the contents include understanding numerical Python data analysis, statistics, and probability, along with much more to set you on a path of data management success. Exactly. So this focuses on using Python for data science. Okay. So once you're on this page, you can just come over here, click on Start Course Now, and then you've automatically enrolled into this course. It's totally free. All right, so now we've looked at 4 courses so far. So now let's look at the 5th one, which is going to be the last free course on in this video. So this is an advanced diploma in data science using R. Now, if you look at the previous course, talks about using Python, and now you are using another programming language called R. So he said in this free online course, learn about the important concepts and essential factors involved in data science with R. Exactly. So you can see, look at this. If you look at this, this is about 15 to 20 hours of learning. So one thing I want you to also take note of is, especially when you come across a course that has maybe over 10 hours of learning, is make sure you dedicate your time to it. Exactly. Make yourself available. Create a time for it. So far, there are about 12,000 learners already enrolled into this course. And then, so these are the things that you're going to be learning in this course. In this free course, you'll learn how to outline data science life cycle, discuss the concept of data manipulation in R, describe the components included in R package, list the examples of one-dimensional data types in R. So once you are here, you can take out time to look at all of this. So you can read on the course description. Now let's look at the course module. For this, it has a total of 9 course modules, including the course assessment. Everything together is 9. So introduction to data science, that's module 1. Data types and structure in R, intermediate R, advanced diploma. Okay, this is the first assessment. Then data manipulation in R, data visualization in R, web app and data science career. So this is the second assessment, and then before the final assessment. So you can just click on each of these arrows to look at topic under each of the modules. So you can see it here. All right. So rich content. This was very good because it exposed me to the fascinating world of data science. I gained diverse skills and knowledge in how to use data science to overcome daily problems and proper handling of data. So that's one of the reviews there on this particular course. So once you are here, click on Start Course Now, and then you can start learning advanced diploma in data science with R. So you already have 5 free courses that you can just get started with right away. No credit card, no payment, no anything, just your time and then your dedication, and then you are on the path to being a data scientist. Okay. All right. So now let's look at the 2 other courses that is left that I'm recommending to you. So if you're finding value in this video so far, please give the video a thumbs up. Okay. All right, so now let's look at this. This is data science with Python, from beginner to expert. So this is a paid course. So it says start your career with data science from scratch, learn data science with Python, predict trends with advanced analytics. Okay. So these are the things that you're going to be learning in this course. You can see this is well outlined. End-to-end knowledge of data science. So let me just pick them randomly. End-to-end knowledge of data science, data visualization with matplotlib, types of machine learning, association rule learning, clustering algorithm, k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering. I hope I got that right. So you're going to be looking at introduction to machine learning and lots more. Okay, so for this particular course, it's a total of 44 hours. So you need to dedicate your time to this 44 hours of learning. So this is the course content. So once you are here, you can take out time to look at the course content, 17 more sections. So looking at it randomly: introduction to data science, introduction to Python programming, input-output keyword identifiers, loops in Python, decision making, functions and models. Once you are here, you'll be able to analyzing data using NumPy and Pandas, data visualization with Seaborn and the like. So these are all the course contents under this course. Okay. So requirement, enthusiasm, and determination to make your mark in the world. Exactly, that's just what is required. So you don't need any special skills to get started. For example, this course is data science with Python. Exactly. So even if you don't have knowledge of Python before now, this shouldn't be an excuse or a discouragement for you. You can just get started with the course, and then if you look at the course outline, there are parts: introduction to Python programming, give you insight into what Python programming is all about and how you can use it in the field of data science. Okay. So, all right. So now let's look at the last course on the list. So the data science course, complete data science bootcamp 2024. So there are chances that if you are watching this video, probably if you are watching it later after your 2024, the course will still be much more relevant because the course gets updated regularly. So it was updated last month. So that means it's not one of those courses that was just created and then dumped on Udemy. Okay. So complete data science training, math, statistics, Python, advanced statistics in Python, machine and deep learning. Okay. So these are the things you're going to be learning on this. Like, don't forget, I said I'm going to leave a link to all of these courses in the description so you can take your time to check them out. Okay, so the course provides the entire toolbox you need to become a data scientist. And here it says, be able to create machine learning algorithm in Python using NumPy, stacks model, and scikit-learn. Unfold the power of deep neural networks, carry out clusters and factor analysis. Okay, so for this now, this is about 31 hours of on-demand video. Yeah, I think the other one is about 44 hours. Yeah, 44 hours. Why this is 31 hours? So 137 coding exercises, 93 articles, 551 downloadable resources, and then this will also give you certification upon completion. So once you are done with it, you're going to be getting a certificate. All the 7 courses I recommended to you in this video all comes with certification. Exactly. So once you scroll down, you also see the course content right here, so you can also check them out to see what you'll be expecting once you sign up for this course. Okay, so for this course itself, it costs about $16. Exactly. So the price might be different based on the time that you are actually looking at this page or taking a look at this course, or maybe based on your location. I know that the price varies based on location, but whatever the price is, it's a good value for money, trust me. Okay, so do make sure you check it out. So with that, guys, these are the 7 courses that comes highly recommendable. I've taken my time to look at all of the data science courses, both the free and the paid ones, and then these are the short lists that I have for you. So do make sure you create time to check them out. If you cannot start with the paid courses, then go ahead and start with the free courses. I'll leave a link to it in the description of the video. What you just need is your time and your dedication, and then before you know it, you already have a solid foundation in the field of data science. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question for me, do leave them in the comment section below. And with that, I wish you success in your journey to being a data scientist. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all in another video.